Hey loves! Today's video is going to be a super easy holiday makeup tutorial. I use the bebe Heartbreaker palette for the eyeshadow as well as the blush. I'm also trying out a brand new highlighter by E.L.F. I picked up their Highlighting Holographic Duo and I topped it off with a red lip. Here is a close-up of the bebe Heartbreaker eyeshadow and blush palette that I will be using in today's tutorial. If you saw my birthday makeup haul, this palette was featured in that video. If you haven't seen it, it will be linked in the top right of your screen. I picked it up from Burlington for $6. It has 6 really pretty, very creamy, with the exception of one, eyeshadows and a really pretty berry toned blush. I absolutely love the performance of the shadows that I used out of this palette, and the blush has a nice hint of shimmer in it. Very pretty, and if you can find this palette, I definitely recommend that you pick it up. For this first color that I'm applying, I'm using a crease brush that I got in a set off of Amazon that will be listed down below in the description. And the name of this shade is Taken. It's a really pretty milk chocolate brown. Now, to add depth to the eye look, I'm using my Modessa eyeshadow brush and taking the shade Queen, which is a darker brown, and I'm applying it to the outer third of my lid. On to the rest of my lid, I'm taking my AOA E113 and applying the shade Lover, which is that really pretty, vibrant gold. Now, you do have to make sure to spritz your brush because you will get a lot of fallout if you don't. I'm highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade French Vanilla using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader, and I love highlighting my brow bone with a matte cream shade just to carve out that crease shadow if I brought it up too high. Another thing I've been loving to do lately is apply a shimmery shade underneath the arch of my brow after my initial matte highlight. Today I'm taking my ColorMate's eyeshadow brush and applying Flirt, which is a really pretty champagne shade. Now I'm using my E.L.F liquid liner for my wing, and I usually do my liner, mascara, and lashes off camera, but I have a new pair of lashes I want to show you, so I thought I would just incorporate all 3 of those steps into the video. Now I'm applying 1 coat of the LA Colors Eyetensity Amplifying Mascara. I've featured the Miss 3D Volume Lashes on my channel a bunch of times in several different styles. They are by far my favorite lashes, and I get them from the beauty supply store for $4. The other day when I went to restock my collection, I found a style that I hadn't seen before, which is their M303B. It's a nice voluminous flared out lash. I love the length of these lashes and how the flare accentuates my winged liner. I did have to trim the band because it was a little too long. I'm using my AOA E115 to bring the shade Taken all across my lower lash line. Now I'm placing Queen right on the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line. I'm now using that same LA Colors Eyetensity Amplifying Mascara on my lower lashes. The eyeliner I'm using is by Nicka. It is their 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. Using my E.L.F angled eyeliner brush, I'm taking the shade Flirt and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. I'm using my Bazic Beauty blush brush to apply the shade Cheeky. It's a really pretty berry toned blush with slight shimmers in it. I purchased the new E.L.F Highlighting Holographic Duo in Siren's Call from Walmart for $8. It's a nice size, heavy duty feeling compact with a mirror, so that's great. On the back of the box, it says achieve a radiant finish with dual chrome colors in this holographic duo. Perfect for wearing alone or layering, the luminescent formula reflects and refracts light on the skin for a defined highlight. Since the pan is split, I will be applying both highlighters. On the left side, I'm using my Aloe F19, and I'm applying that really pretty peachy tone shade, and as you can see, I like it a lot. Also, I did not wet the brush. And for the right side of my face, I'll be using another $1 highlighting brush. This is the Bazic Beauty Angled Contouring Brush, and I bought it from the 99-cent store. I think the angled design of the bristles and the overall size of the brush is perfect for placing highlight right along the cheekbones. The best way I can describe this shade is like an iridescent yellow gold. It is so pretty, and depending on which way I turned my head, it came off kind of green. I really don't know how to explain this color, but it is absolutely beautiful on the skin, and overall, I 10 out of 10 recommend this E.L.F Highlighting Duo. And to finish off this holiday makeup look, I'm applying the LA Colors Matte Lipstick in the shade Starlet. Here's my completed holiday makeup. I'm trying to do some poses like I've seen other makeup people do. I think it came out alright. I'd love to know what you thought of this tutorial, so go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. All of the products that I used will be available in the description box, and until next time, bye loves!